Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a message off Facebook about the transformation Docker. And if you don't know where that is, it's very helpful. Go to Windows Dockers Transformation. You pick any of them and pick up rotation. His question was when he rotates something at 11.25, it rounds it up to 11.3. And originally I thought I could change that, but you can't. Or I shouldn't say you can't. I haven't figured it out yet. So let's make a duplicate of this line. Let's make the rotation at the bottom. We're going to make a rotation, and we're going to rotate at 11.25 degrees. Okay? We've already got a duplicate of this one. Now let's rotate it and see what it did. It says it's 11.3. Let's rotate it by the rotation cube, which I have set at a higher decimal place, and I thought that would change it, but it didn't. But both lines are on top of one another. And if you don't think that you can tell, let's rotate 11.26. And you can tell that that line now is doubly thick. Let's back up with it zoomed in. So the lines are top. So it's doing it correctly, but it's just rounding it up. So it's one of those things you just can't worry about. Let's erase this, and I'll show you how I set the decimal places higher. And the reason I do it, I set my nudge factor on 0.001. So if you go to Tools, Options, and it's all different and different, but just get down to this page and go to Edit. Here's your drawing precision. If you put this on 2, and let's rotate this. Sometimes the shape tool takes over. Let's rotate this 11.25. See, it still works because it's got 2 decimal places. But if you go further than that, 11.2675, it's going to round it up to 2.67. So if you want some greater detail, go to Tools, Options, Edit, and I keep mine on 4 decimal places. So then you've got 6.275. Now, just to prove that this worked, let's make a duplicate of this and rotate this 11.2675. In the line, even though it says 11.3, the lines are exactly on top of each other. So, unless somebody can give me some insight where you can change this, I've looked around. It shouldn't affect, I mean, it's not going to affect you. It's just kind of irritating a little bit. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.